Welcome to today's video where we will discuss the various options for final restoration in dental implant treatment. We will cover Arch Frame Zirconia, full Zirconia Cylinder type, and full Zirconia Non-Cylinder type, and their benefits and features. Arch Frame Zirconia is a popular option for final restoration, known for its low probability of fracture and gingival support, making it suitable for all on-4 treatments. The hex driver fastening system makes it a reliable option for patients. Full Zirconia Cylinder type is known for its clear fit conformation on X-rays and hex driver fastening system, making it a great option for those who want a seamless look. Additionally, this type of final restoration is also suitable for gumless prosthesis. Full Zirconia Non-Cylinder type is another popular option, known for its excellent angle compensation and aesthetic appearance. The non-cylinder design means there is no possibility of the prosthesis separating and no pickup model is required. This type of final restoration is also possible without gums. If you experience incomplete fastening of the final restoration, retightening the screw and taking a panoramic radiograph again can help confirm the fastening. If a gap is visible between the multi-unit abutment and the prosthetic on the X-ray, it is likely that the final restoration is not seated properly. To solve this issue, confirm again after retightening, tighten symmetrically starting from the middle tooth, and consider a final restoration remake if necessary. In conclusion, final restoration options like Arch Frame Zirconia, full Zirconia Cylinder type, and full Zirconia Non-Cylinder type are excellent options for those seeking a reliable and aesthetically pleasing final restoration. If you experience incomplete fastening, retightening and confirmation through radiography can help solve the issue. Thank you for watching and we hope you found this information helpful.